Hi, I'm Tom from C-UK and we're going to be fitting some C-3 feet run protect for some running shoes. The benefit of having a 3 feet insole is going to provide impact protection, control, support and extra comfort over the stock insole. They're really easy to fit. Take the stock insole out of the trainer, place it on top of the 3 feet, trace around the front of the insole so it shows you where to cut. Take a set of good sharp scissors, cut any excess material away. Once you're happy you've trimmed it to the right size, place it back in the shoe, ensuring it lies flat at the front, which isn't going to take up any space around the toes.